We're in my Facebook group and I'm going to show you how to get to topics when you're looking for a particular subject that you want to post on within the group. It doesn't matter which group you're in, there will be topics there. So we just come over to this little toggle here. You see topics, and that will bring up all of the topics within this group. Now, it depending on how the group is set up, there'll either be just specific ones set up by the admin, or there'll be a whole load of them where every time a hashtag is used, a topic is created. So in here, for instance, if we wanted to go to the Wide Awakers Club, we simply click on the link and it will bring us to all of the posts that have Wide Awakers Club. And then if you wanted to comment on one, probably the most recent one would be the one you'd want to comment on, you can go ahead and do that. And if we go back, for instance, What's Up Wednesday is very popular in this group. And as you can see, look at the dates. They are not always in date order. This is something I've found, but sometimes they are. So if we scroll to the bottom, so 12th of May. Now, I happen to know that we did one just last week. So this is the problem with Facebook. It doesn't always show them. Look at that, 25th of November. It just doesn't show them in order. You would expect the most recent one to be at the top, but that isn't the way it works, unfortunately. But you can sit there and scroll through them, and you just click on to read the comments, and if you want to make a comment yourself. Okay, so I hope that helps you find the topics within a Facebook group. And if you've got a post within a group that you want to put into a topic, then you can simply, let's get rid of this, go to discussion, and then I'll just scroll down to one where I know we need to. Here we are. This one's not been put into a topic yet. So the 3 dots on the side, see all, edit post topic. And here I can put it into a topic. So this one I should put into polls. And I can save it. Or alternatively, when you are creating a post, let's find another one. Here we are. Is this one in one? Oh, this one's already in Alan's Corner. And so therefore we could edit the post and we could do hashtag Alan's Corner, and that also would automatically put it into that topic. This tutorial was brought to you by Scanners Arts Wholesale.